Hello friends, welcome to Learn Instrumentation. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, and this topic is pressure transmitter and its types. Pressure transmitters are widely used in instrumentation, so video is going to be very helpful for you. First of all, we will discuss what is transmitter. Look friends, transmitter is used to measure parameters. Here parameters means pressure, temperature, level and flow. Firstly, its work is to measure. It will be a meter. It is measuring the quantity and it is also showing the quantity on its display. Okay, here you can see it is measuring the pressure and it is also showing the pressure here. Transmitter is a meter and it transmits its value to anywhere. So it is used to transmit the values also. A meter that transmit values is known as transmitter. Transmit plus meter is known as transmitter. So it is a very clear-cut definition of transmitter. We have discussed that transmitter transmits its value to other place. Now we will discuss where it transmits its value. Look friends, transmitters transmit its values to any controller. Okay? In controller, we can use PLC DCS or we can use PID controller. Transmitter can also transmit its value to a process indicator. Process indicator is used to show the value of transmitter. Now, what is the difference between controller and process indicator? Look friends, controller, as the name suggests, it is used to control. Okay? If we want to control any parameter, we will use a controller. But if we want to show the value of transmitter to any location, then we will use an indicator. Indicator, as the name suggests, to indicate the value only. We have discussed that transmitter transmits its value to any controller or any indicator. But transmitter transmits its value in the form of electrical signal, like 0 to 10 volts, 0 to 5 volts, 4 to 20 milliamperes and 0 to 20 milliamperes. Here 4 to 20 milliampere is the most common output signal of transmitters. Okay. Here you can see what it is measuring. It measures pressure, temperature, flow, level. These are the non-electrical quantities. Okay? And these transmitters convert these values to electrical quantities. So, you can say transmitter is an instrument or transmitter is a device that is used to convert non-electrical quantities to electrical quantities. Friends, in instrumentation, this definition is used for transducers. So, transmitters are also transducers. We can call transmitters as transducers. I think it is clear to you. Friends, now we will discuss pressure transmitters. Based on the pressure, transmitters are divided into three categories. What are these? The first one is pressure transmitter, second one is differential pressure transmitter, and the third one is diaphragm pressure transmitter. First we will see what is pressure transmitter. As the name suggests, pressure transmitters are those transmitters that are used to measure pressure. They are mounted on any tank or they are mounted on any process line to measure the pressure. Here in pressure transmitters, you will find these two types of transmitters. First one is smart transmitter and the second one is pen type transmitter. Because this transmitter look like a pen, so it is known as pen type pressure transmitter. This transmitter also contains a display, but in pen type transmitter display is optional. Okay, smart transmitter use HART protocol. This is the basic difference between smart transmitter and pen type pressure transmitter. Smart transmitters use HART protocol, but mostly pen type pressure transmitters don't use HART protocol. We have also discussed differences between smart transmitter and pen type pressure transmitter in a video. You can watch that video. And we have also discussed HART protocol in a video. So you can also watch that video, what is HART protocol and why we use HART protocol in instrumentation. Look friends, if you want the PDF for this content, you can join our membership program. Now we will discuss differential pressure transmitter. As the name suggests, differential pressure transmitter means a transmitter that is used to measure difference pressure. These types of transmitters will measure the pressure difference between 2 points, between this point and this point. Okay, so here two taps will be used for differential pressure transmitter. Its short form is DP transmitter. D means differential and P means pressure. So these transmitters are also known as DP type transmitters. Here two taps means two connections. Look friends, DP type transmitters are widely used in instrumentation. They are used to measure different parameters. Now we will discuss the applications of DP type transmitters. They are used to measure closed tank level. They are used to measure flow using flow orifice, and they are used to measure differential pressure of line. Now we will discuss one by one. Friends, we will discuss closed tank level measurement by using DP type transmitter through this animation, so it will be more clear for you. Here two taps will be there. We have already discussed. One tap will be for HP. HP means high pressure, and one tap will be for LP. LP means low pressure. Here many of our friends are confused where we will take HP port and where will we take LP port. We are using this tank for level measurement and liquid is filling in this tank. Okay, when liquid will fill in this tank, liquid will exert pressure on bottom side. So at bottom side pressure will be high and at upper side pressure will be low. So lower tap will be high pressure tap and upper tap will be low pressure tap. So this tap will be connected at HP port and this tap will be connected at LP port. It will be more clear to you from this figure. Here DP type pressure transmitter is connected for level measurement. Here lower tap will be connected at HP port and upper tap will be connected at LP port. And here you will find these ports. These ports are condensate ports. Condensate ports are used for steam lines. When we are measuring the level and the fluid is steam, then we will use condensate port. Friends, if we look at the closure view, you will find this type of valve here. Now, in many interviews, they can ask the name for this valve, and this valve is manifold valve. So, you can note it down that this valve is known as manifold valve. Here, 3 taps are used in manifold valve. So, this manifold valve is 3-way manifold valve. The next application of DP type transmitter is flow measurement. Flow measurement using flow orifice. Here, flow orifice will be used to create the differential pressure. Here, we will use flow orifice. Before flow orifice, pressure will be high pressure, HP, and after flow orifice, pressure will be low pressure, LP. So, this HP line will be connected at HP port of transmitter, and this LP line will be connected at LP port of transmitter. And if we are using the flow for steam, then we will use condensate port. This type of orifice is used to create differential pressure. Look friends, remember one point, HP and LP is also written on transmitter. So HP port will be connected at HP side and LP port will be connected at LP side. On some transmitters, H and L is written in place of HP and LP. The third application of DP type transmitter is to measure differential pressure of line. Suppose this is a line in any industry. So one tap is connected at this point and another tap is connected at this point, and DP type transmitter will measure the difference from this point to this point. This transmitter will measure the difference pressure from this point to this point. I think it is clear to you. You people reply, DP type transmitter is used for which application in your industry? Whether it is used for level measurement, whether it is used for flow measurement, or it is used for differential pressure measurement. Next pressure transmitter is diaphragm type pressure transmitter. As it is clear from its name, a diaphragm is used with this transmitter. You can recognize this transmitter by only seeing this transmitter. A diaphragm will be shown outside from the transmitter, and this transmitter will be connected like this. Okay. Diaphragm type pressure transmitters are used to measure the level of any tank. They are used to measure the level of pulp, slurry, acid, bases, etc. Diaphragm type pressure transmitters are also used for high temperature applications. For very high temperature applications, we use a capillary type diaphragm. So you people reply, for which application diaphragm type pressure transmitter is used in your industry. So friends, that was our video. I think it is clear to you. If you want more instrumentation videos, subscribe to our channel today. Thanks for watching.